Remainder theorem. Let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, and let a be any real number. If p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. As per this statement, when we substitute the value of x of the linear polynomial in the equation, in the polynomial, p of x, we will be getting p of a. The p of a value is equal to the remainder. So we will move on to the proof of this theorem. Let p of x be any polynomial with degree greater than or equal to 1. Suppose that when p of x is divided by x minus a, the linear polynomial, the quotient is q of x and the remainder is r of x. That is, p of x is equal to x minus a, q of x plus r of x. Since the degree of x minus a is 1 and the degree of r of x is less than the degree of x minus a, the degree of r of x is equal to 0. This means that r of x is a constant, say r. So for every value of x, r of x is equal to r. Therefore, p of x is equal to x minus a, q of x plus r. As we substitute the value of x as a, this equation gives us p of a is equal to a. In place of x we should write a minus a, q of a plus r is equal to a minus a cancels, so it will be equal to 0. So when divided in multiplied by 0 into q of a, that is also 0 vanishes. So p of a is equal to r. This proves the theorem. Let us use these results in another examples. Find the remainder obtained on dividing p of x is equal to x cube plus 1 by x plus 1 and verify by remainder theorem. So here p of x is equal to x cube plus 1. So let us write it in a standard form. X cube, p of x is equal to x cube plus 0x square plus 0x plus 1 is the standard form, and here x plus 1 is the one with which we are going to divide. So here x cube plus 0x square plus 0x plus 1 x plus 1. So here x cube when divided by x, it fetches us x square. So x square, x into x square is x cube plus 1 into x is 1x square. Here minus sign, as there is plus, here also minus sign. So plus x cube minus x cube cancels. So here minus 1x square plus 0x plus 1. Here minus x square is there. When divided by x, we will get minus x. So minus x. Minus plus into minus is minus. X into x is x square. Likewise, plus into minus, minus 1 into x, 1x. Plus, plus. So plus 1x square, minus 1x square plus 1x square cancels. So here plus 1x plus 1. Here x when divided by x, you will get 1. So plus 1 plus x into plus 1 is plus 1x, plus into plus is plus, 1 ones are 1, here minus, here 2 minus, so these cancels 0, and here 2 cancels, plus 1 minus 1 cancels, so this is the remainder, and this is the quotient. Let us verify this by the remainder theorem. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Let us equate it to 0 to find the value of x. X is equal to minus 1. So let us put this equation. P of x is equal to, we have written this in the standard form, x cube, but it is not necessary to write it in the standard form. Let us directly take the equation, that is the polynomial what has been given, x cube plus 1. So let us substitute. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube plus 1 is equal to, what is the value of minus 1 whole cube? Minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. Minus 1 whole cube is equal to 1 one's a 1, 1 one's a 1. So 1 minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 plus 1. So P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 cancels, so it is equal to 0. Therefore the remainder theorem is verified. Divide the polynomial 3x to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 by x minus 1. Let us begin with writing this polynomial in a standard form. That is 3x to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 0x square. 0x square is nothing but 0 minus 3x minus 1. X minus 1. 3x to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 0x square minus 3x minus 1. So what we want to do here is 3x to the power 4 when divided by x, we will get 3x cube. X into 3x cube will get 3x to the power of 4 minus 1 into 3x cube minus 3x cube. Here minus sign change, here plus. This one cancels, plus and minus is there. Here minus 1x cube minus 0x to square minus 3x minus 1. So here too we want minus 1x cube by x. So we will be getting minus x square. X into minus x square is minus 1x cube. Minus into minus is plus. 1 into x square plus, here minus, sign change. These two cancels. So what is the remainder is minus x square minus 3x minus 1. Here x square when divided by minus x square when divided by x, we will get minus x. So we will multiply it with minus x. So minus x square, x into x is x square, plus into minus is minus. Next minus into minus is plus 1x Here sign change, as it is here minus, we should write plus. As it is here plus, we should write minus. Here minus x square plus x square cancels. So here minus, here also minus is there. So minus 3 plus 1 is, as we both are negative sign, we should add 3 plus 1, 4x minus 1. Let us take minus 4x when divided by this first term x. X cancels. So what is the remainder is minus 4. So we will be multiplying with it with minus 4. 1x into minus 4 is minus 4x. Minus into minus is plus. 1 4s are 4. Here minus sign is there, we will put plus. Here plus sign is there, we will put minus. So minus 4x plus 4x cancels. Here also minus, here also minus. So we should add 4 plus 1 is 5 with the negative sign. This is the remainder. Now we have got the remainder here. So let us solve this by the division formula, division theorem, and verify this one whether the remainder is correct or not. So here the equation is x minus 1. So we have to equate it to 0. So what we will be getting is x is equal to 1 we are getting here. Let us take this equation as p of x is equal to 3x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. Let us take this as p of 1 right now and substitute the value of x as 1. 3 into 1 to the power of 4 minus 4 into 1 to the power of 3 minus 3 into 1 minus 1. So here 3 into 1, we know that 1 to the power of 4 is 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, which is nothing but 1. Likewise 1 cube is equal to 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So minus 4 into 1 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 3 minus 1. So plus 3 minus 3 cancels. So p of 1 is equal to minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. This is nothing but the remainder. This verifies that we can change this question as and verify the remainder with long division and division theorem.
Find the remainder when x to the power of 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. Here let us equate first the linear polynomial x minus 1 to 0 to get the value of x. So the value of x will be equal to the 1 as minus 1 moves to the RHS. And let us substitute this equation in the given polynomial p of x is equal to x to the power of 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1. So the value of p of x will be p of a, that is p of 1. Here p of 1 is equal to 1 to the power of 4 plus 1 cube minus 2 into 1 whole square plus 1 plus 1. So 1 to the power of 4 is 1, 1 cube is 1, minus 2 into 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus 1. So the answer is 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 2 plus 2 cancels. So p of 1 is equal to 2. Is the remainder. obtained when p of x is divided by x minus 1. Check whether the polynomial q of t is equal to 4t cube plus 4t square minus t minus 1 is a multiple of 2t plus 1. To check, we have to consider the linear polynomial 2t plus 1 and we should equate it to 0. So we will do so to calculate the value of t, that is the 0 of the linear polynomial, if not the root of the linear polynomial. 2t is equal to minus 1 as 1 moves to the RHS. So the value of t is equal to minus 1 by 2. We got this by the cross multiplication. So the q of t, the given polynomial, is 4t cube plus 4t square minus t minus 1. Let us now substitute the value of t in the given polynomial. Q of t is minus 1 by 2 is equal to 4 into minus 1 by 2 whole cube plus 4 into minus 1 by 2 whole square minus of minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So here 4 minus 1 whole square whole cube by 2 cube plus 4 into minus 1 whole square by 2 square minus into minus is plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Here let us take minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, which is equals to minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus 1 1 is 1, 1 1 is 1. So 1 minus 1. So here the value is 4 into minus 1 by 2 cube. 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 4 into minus 1 whole square is minus 1 whole square is minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus into minus is plus 1. 1 by 4. 4 cancels here. Here the answer is minus half. Here 4 ones are 4 twos are, so minus half plus 1 minus half. Here the answer is minus half minus half. As two halves joins each other, it will be equal to minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancels. So the answer is 0. So q of minus half is equal to 0. Therefore, as q of minus half is equal to 0, so we can say that 2t plus 1 is a factor of q of t. If it would have not been equal to 0, then we can't say that it is a factor of a given polynomial. As it is equal to 0, it is a factor of the given polynomial.
Exercise 2.3. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by, the first case x plus 1, second case x minus half, third case is x, fourth case is x plus pi, fifth case is 5 plus 2x. Here let us take the first case, x plus 1. Let us take this polynomial is equal to 0 to find the 0 of this polynomial. So x is equal to minus 1. So let us substitute this value in the given polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 cube is equal to minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 whole square is plus 1, plus into minus is minus 3. 3 ones are 3 plus 1. So here minus 1 plus 1 cancels. Here 3 plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, the remainder is 0 when the given polynomial is divided by x plus 1. Let us move on to the second case, x minus half. Let us take this as is equal to 0 to find the 0 of this polynomial. So it will be equal to x is equal to as minus half shift to this side. So it will be plus half. So it will be half. So let us substitute this value of x in the given polynomial to find the remainder when the polynomial is divided by x minus half. So x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So substituting this 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. You already know that 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1, so it will be 1. Whereas here 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. How to solve this means 1 cube by 2 cube plus 3 into 1 by 1 square by 2 square plus 3 by 2 plus 1. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8 plus 3 into 1 square is 1, 2 square is 2 2s are 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So 1 by 8 plus 3 ones are 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 by 2 plus 1. So let us take the LCM of these values 8, 4, 2 and here 1. As there is nothing is there, we can say that 1 is there. So 8, 4, 2, 1. 2 fours, 2 twos, 2 ones. So 2 twos, ones, ones, ones. So 2 into 2 into 2 so is equal to 8. So the LCM is 8. Here we should multiply. Why we took this LCM means we want to make the denominators of all the fractions. Here there are 4 fractions are there. We should make all the denominators equal to a single number. So how to make this means 8 ones are 8 1. Here we should multiply the denominator with 1 to get 8. Likewise, so as we have multiplied with 1 the denominator, we should also multiply the numerator with 1. Here 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are, so we should multiply the numerator also with 2. Here we should multiply with 4, 2 4s are 8, so we should multiply the numerator also with 4. Likewise here also with 8, 1 8s are 8, so here also numerator also should be multiplied by 8. 1 1s are 1 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 3 4s are 12 plus 8 1s are 8. So what happens here? The value is 12 plus 8 is 20, 26 plus 1, 27 by 8 is the remainder, when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x minus half. Let us move on to the third problem. When it is divided by x, what is the 0 of this x? The 0 of this x is, we have to equate it to 0. So the 0 itself is the 0. So x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Here 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 is the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x. The fourth one is x plus pi. Let us equate it to 0 to get the value of x, that is the root of this polynomial. If not, the 0 of this polynomial can be found by equating the equation to 0. So x is equal to minus pi. Let us substitute now the value of x, that is the root of this equation, that is the 0 of this polynomial in the given equation, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So minus pi whole cube plus 3 into minus pi whole square plus 3 into pi plus 1. So minus pi whole cube is minus pi cube plus 3 into minus pi whole square is pi square plus 3 pi plus 1. So this is the value what we get. That is the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus pi. Now let us move on to the last problem of this main, 5 plus 2x. So let us equate this once again to 0 to get the value of x. So 2x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So this is the value of x, that is the root of this polynomial 5 plus 2x, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So the value of x is minus 5 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1 minus 5 whole cube by 2 cube. So minus 5 whole cube is equal to minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. So minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Likewise 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, which is equals to 8. So plus 3 into minus 5 whole square by 2 square. So minus 5 whole square is minus 5 into minus 5 is equal to minus into minus is plus. 5 5 is 25. Plus into minus is minus. 3 5 is 15 by 2 plus 1. Minus 5 cube is already we have found minus 125 by 2 cube is 8 plus 3 into minus 5 whole square is 25 by 2 2s are 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1 by 1. So here minus 125 by 8 plus 325s are 75 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1 by 1. Here, let us calculate the LCM of 8421. 8421 is 2 4s are 8, 2s are 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So the 8 is the LCM. So we need not 8 ones are 8. So we should multiply the numerator with minus 125 ones are. Whereas here into 2. So this has to, numerator has to be multiplied by 2. Whereas here 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. So we have to multiply with 4. Whereas here 1 8s are. So 1 8s are. So minus 125 plus 75 2s are 150 minus 15 4s are 60 plus 8. So the answer is, if you take these two means plus 125, 150 minus 125 means the answer is 25 plus 25 plus 25. When we take these two 60 and 80 minus 60 plus 8 means minus 52 minus 52 by 8. So the answer is minus 52, 25 means minus 27. Minus 27 by 8. Minus 27 by 8 is the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by 5 plus 2x, 5 plus 2x. Find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. To calculate the remainder, firstly we have to take the binomial x minus a and equate it to 0 to calculate the value of x. So the value of x is equal to when this a shifts to the RHS, the sign changes, that is plus a is the value of x. So let us substitute the value of x in the given equation, given polynomial x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a to find the remainder when divided by x minus a. So x is equal to a. So a cube minus a into a whole square. Instead of x we should write a. Means y means x is, the value of x is a, plus 6 into a minus a. So a cube minus a into a square is a cube plus 6a minus a. So here plus a minus a cube minus a cube cancels. 6a minus a is equal to 5a is the remainder 1 x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7a. To check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of the given polynomial, we should firstly equate this given binomial or if the given polynomial to 0. So we will get the value of x minus 7 when this 7 moves to the RHS. The value of x is equal to minus 7 by 3. And let us substitute this in the given polynomial. 3x cube plus 7a. So Instead, place of x, we should write minus 7 by 3. Minus 7 by 3 whole cube plus 7. So, minus 7 whole cube is equal to minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7. So, minus into minus is plus. Plus 7 sevens are 49 into minus 7 is equal to 7 nines are 63, 6, 7 fours are 28, 28 plus 6 is 34, minus 34. 3 into minus 343 by 3 cube is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 7a. 7a. 3 1s are 3 9s are minus 343 by 9 plus 7a. Which is not equal to 0. This is not equal to 0. Therefore 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7a. That means if this is equal to 0, when we substitute the value of x to the given polynomial, if this polynomial was reduced to 0, then definitely 7 plus 3x would have become the factor of the polynomial. But here, as it is not equal to 0, 7 plus 3x is not a factor of the given polynomial 3x cube plus 7a.